an opposition that we will be squaring up against, as you mentioned, which has got a lot of quality players. But the other stuff which is off the field does not filter in on the field. On the field, we're very professional. We know exactly how we need to play and what we need to do on the field. Yes, we get along very well off the field, but when you step across the line, then it's business at the end of the day, and you need to deal with it accordingly. And it's pretty serious stuff out there. It's not something that is fun and games and is played in a very low voltage environment. Obviously, there's this is a huge game. There's a huge test match, and we are certainly looking forward to the opportunity that we've been waiting for a few years now. And in Test cricket, we've performed really well, and deservingly, we step onto the field tomorrow to play the brand of cricket, as I mentioned, that we have played in the last few years.
Hi Virat, can you hear me?
Yeah, Maulin, the volume.
Okay.
You just increase it.
Can you hear me now?
Just a second, we're just increasing the.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, please.
Okay. Virat, we've been hearing that until a couple of days ago, it was boiling hot in Southampton. But the weather forecast that we are looking from here says that it's going to be rain and thunderstorm. So this obviously complicates all the team selection and team combination, whether to play one spinner, two spinner, four bowlers. So what are your thoughts on it? How does it look there?
No, it does not change anything from our point of view as a team. For us, it's about covering all bases and making sure that we take the strongest side we can on the park, which gives us batting depth and gives us enough bowling options as well. So we are quite clear in terms of what we want to do. Forecast is something that we're not focused on. We're not going to think too much about what might change. Regardless of what we do, we have our bases covered, and we know that very well. So yeah, we're not bothered about what the weather holds, and do we need to change the outlook of the team altogether? No. Obviously, how you approach the game and the decisions that you make day to day, they obviously alter when the conditions are different, but not your whole team altogether.
Yeah, hi Virat, Sandeep here from ABP News Network. Can you hear me?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah, Virat, India team was defeated last year by this New Zealand side, but since then India have defeated Australia, teams like Australia, England. So do you think that this Indian team has become stronger both psychologically and with skill?
Well, we lost on a given day. This is not one-day cricket, and this is not a T20 game that finishes in a few hours. This is a hard grind over a period of 5 days, something that we take a lot of pride in, and a great example of what you saw in Australia with the younger lot of our players stood up against a very experienced and a very strong Australian side and beat them in their backyard. So we understand the kind of cricket that we have played to get here in the finals, and we understand what we are as a team and who we really are as a group of players. As I said, we're just very excited to get onto the field tomorrow and start this test match.
Since
Hi Virat, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Virat, my question here is that you spoke about that you want to select a team where all the bases are covered with enough batting depth. So does that mean it is a case of like a choice between Ishant Sharma and Mohammad Siraj for the third pacer slot? If we consider that Ashwin and Jadeja are both very capable all-rounders who have a chance of both being in the playing 11.
That question has no relevance to batting depth. For me, it doesn't make sense at all, and we will explain or announce the team straight after the press conference anyway.
Hi Virat, Vishesh here. Best of luck for the finals. I just wanted to ask, we have seen how great mutual respect is there between you and Kane Williamson. So how great it is to play against an opponent you really admire, and you would be playing in the format that you both have said that is the real test of a player.
Well, yeah, me and Kane have become friends over the last few years, playing against each other quite a bit and having conversation off the field as well. But as I mentioned before, when you step across that line, it's you're professionals at the end of the day. You know, you want to get him out as early as possible, like all the other batsmen in the New Zealand team, and they would want to do the same to us. So I think the camaraderie and the understanding and the bonding that we have as players from different countries playing the same sport mostly happens off the field. On the field, it's very professional. As I said, we're looking at them as opponents that we wanna beat, hopefully in this test match. And that's all to it. Apart from that, we do stay in touch. We do communicate a bit. And when we see each other, it's always a nice kind of mutual vibe that we have, where there's respect for each other and there's understanding of who we are as people as well.
Hi Virat. Virat, considering how vocal you've been all these years about your preference for Test cricket, of course you've been part of a World Cup winning team in 2011. Is this your biggest match as far as cricket is concerned? Firstly, Test cricket, and because you are also the captain of this team.
No, for me, this is another Test match that has to be played. I think these things are very exciting from the outside, where there's so much importance and so much other extra stuff that's attached to one game, and it sort of becomes do and die. And for us as a team, we have been on a quest for excellence for a while now, and we are going to continue to be on that path regardless of what happens in this game. And we totally understand, as I said, who we are as a team and the kind of cricket that we've played. So we have no doubts whatsoever on our abilities and what we can do as a side. As an individual player, look, we won the 2011 World Cup, which is a great moment for all of us. But cricket goes on, just the way life goes on. And you have to treat failure and success the same way, and you have to treat the so-called outstandingly big moments pretty similar to the other moments as well. You can't pick and choose and be in a space where you prioritize something and you don't. So yes, it is an occasion that has to be enjoyed from our point of view. But it is no different for us, or no more important for us than the first Test match that we played all together as a young group of players back in the day when we were trying to come up the ranks. So mindset remains the same.
Yeah. Hi, Virat. Neeru here. Just wanted to ask, I know the New Zealand series that we played in New Zealand were different conditions, yes. But overall, what were the key lessons that you would keep in mind going into this test match tomorrow against New Zealand from that series?
The only lesson that we learned was have belief in our abilities and just focus on what we can do as a side. As I said, when you start looking at too many factors and too many things on the outside, then you confuse yourself. And we're absolutely focused on what we can do as a team, as I mentioned, and we can't wait to get on the park for this one, to play great cricket over a period of 5 days, regardless of who we are playing against. For us, it's a contest between bat and ball. The game is pretty simple, and we are going to keep the game very simple, but play with the intensity and the passion that we played over the years, and played some amazing Test cricket. And we're very, very focused on what we can do as a side.
Right, thank you.
Hi Virat. Virat, in November we were at the top of the table. In November we were at the top of the table, and in Feb we were struggling to qualify, and then we made a remarkable comeback to qualify for the WTC final. On the eve of the match, how does it feel to have gone over a topsy-turvy ride? How does it feel like we are playing next day?
It wasn't supposed to be a topsy-turvy ride, to be honest. When you're sitting at home and the rules change suddenly, you get confused as to what happened. Without anyone's control, we did not miss or choose to miss any series through the course of this World Test Championship, apart from the scheduling that wasn't done at all. We pretty much played everything that was presented to us. And yeah, in our minds, we had qualified way before things got complicated anyway. So that just gave us more determination and more clarity as to where we want to go and what we want to achieve. So looking back now, probably was a good thing that happened, that there was no room for complacency. If we had qualified earlier, maybe we would have relaxed a little bit, but the situation allowed us to be more hungry and be more determined and know exactly what was going on at that moment, and use that as a fueling factor and a motivation to keep moving forward, regardless of, as I said, whatever was going on the outside.
Thank you.
Hi Virat, this is Harit here. Your team has been in some fantastic positions in the past ICC events, but somehow things didn't go as per the wish on those days. How big is this opportunity for this team? And your thoughts on what the lessons you all have learned from those big events, those big moments in an ICC trophy. How much is that this team is looking forward to?
Well, if you're talking about Test cricket, and a few people have mentioned this already, if you're talking about Test cricket and deciding who's the best Test team in the world on one game over a period of 5 days, that's not the reality of the truth. It's not gonna reflect anything for people who really understand the game and who know exactly what has gone on in the last 4 or 5 years and how the teams have fared. So yeah, as I said, this for us is another Test match. You can very well look back at history and focus on things that didn't go your way. At the end of the day, you realize you play sport, and you are going to be beaten, and you are going to win on a particular day. As I said, if you win this game, cricket does not stop for us. If you lose this game, cricket does not stop for us. Our processes, our mindset is what matters to us the most, and we are striving for excellence every day. And we step onto the field every Test match or every game that we play wanting to win. And that's the most you can ask of your players, to stand up in tough situations and keep proving that you belong here, and you take a lot of pride in playing for India and for your team. And yeah, as I said, we're very excited to take the field for this Test match.
Virat, do you think the WTC has served its purpose, considering India is one of the teams who played a lot of tests? What about the other team? Do you think it has served the purpose of keeping the Test cricket alive? And what are the changes you'd like to see in the next cycles?
Well, firstly, not for the rules to change overnight. That'll be helpful if there's more clarity around what's happening and which direction we're heading into, and for teams who haven't played series for some reason, to have some kind of ruling there as well as to what happens after. So yeah, it's for me, it's been a very positive step in the right direction, because you understand every series you are playing and competing for something, and there's no room for complacency. There's no room for just playing out an easy draw. If you can go for the points, if you can afford to go for the points, you will go for the points. So I think it's a step in the right direction for Test cricket. Okay.
शुभांशु चक्रवर्ती दिस साइड। विराट, टीम इंडिया की अगर हम बात करें तो काफी सारे अटैकिंग ऑप्शंस है बैटिंग यूनिट में। रोहित शर्मा एक अग्रेसिवली नेचुरली अग्रेसिव बैट्समैन है, शुभमन गिल। आपको क्या लगता है कि ये अटैकिंग इंटेंट होना एक वन ऑफ टेस्ट के लिए क्या क्रूशल रहेगा, गेम चेंजिंग हो सकता है इंडिया के लिए?
I lost a question बीच में, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया पूरा क्वेश्चन।
अटैकिंग ऑप्शंस जो है इंडिया के पास, क्या आपको लगता है कि वन ऑफ टेस्ट में ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट हो सकता है?
जैसे कि मैंने बोला, ये एक वन ऑफ टेस्ट के लिए नहीं आए हम लोग यहाँ पे। हम लोग यहाँ पे 6 टेस्ट मैच खेलने के लिए आए हैं इंग्लिश समर एंड होने तक, और वो 6 में से पहला टेस्ट कल होने वाला है। और जैसे मैंने बोला, आप एक टेस्ट जीतने के बाद ऐसा नहीं है कि अपना या तो पूरा टीम प्लान बदल देंगे या टीम कॉम्पोजिशन बदल देंगे या खेलने का तरीका बदल देंगे। हमारे प्लेयर्स को बहुत अच्छे से पता है उनकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है और कैसे उन स्ट्रेंथ्स को यूटिलाइज करना है, और वो करेंगे ये 6 टेस्ट मैचेस के पीरियड में। तो हम जो सोच रहे हैं बहुत अलग है, बाहर जो लोग उसको परसीव कर रहे हो बहुत अलग है। तो अभी उसमें मेरे को बहुत डिवाइड फील हो रहा है, तो शायद मैं उस चीज को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊँ या ना कर पाऊँ। लेकिन जैसे मैंने बोला, हम लोग सिर्फ एक प्रोसेस जो हमने क्रिएट किया है एक्सीलेंस के लिए स्ट्राइव करने का, हम उसकी तरफ जा रहे हैं। और यही एक रीजन है जहाँ पे ऋषभ पंत जैसे प्लेयर या रोहित जैसे प्लेयर या शुभमन जैसे प्लेयर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्रूशियल मोमेंट्स में उन्होंने अटैकिंग इनिंग्स खेली और टेस्ट मैच जिताए, जहाँ पे बाहर लोगों को लग रहा था कि शायद ड्रॉ कर लें या बचा ले तो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी। तो मैं इसी डिवाइड की बात कर रहा हूँ कि हमें पता है कि हमें अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स कहाँ यूटिलाइज करनी है और हमारा क्या माइंडसेट है इस टूर पे। ये एक टेस्ट मैच के बाद क्रिकेट हमारे लिए रुकेगी नहीं, हम यहाँ पे 6 टेस्ट मैच की प्रिपरेशन करके आए।
थैंक यू विराट, ऑल द बेस्ट।
ओके, अब से कुछ ही देर में, जैसे विराट ने कहा था कि इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद क्या प्लेइंग 11 होगी, क्या टीम होगी, वो पता चल जाएगा। अब 11 है या 12 है उसका इंतजार कीजिए। इट्स गोना कम राइट हियर ऑन डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार ऑन फॉलो द ब्लूज। और कल दोपहर 2 बजे से लाइव कवरेज शुरू होगी स्टार स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क पे, डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार पे। वी गोना हैव ऑल द एक्सपर्ट्स। रोहन और संजना मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं व्हाइल वी वेट फॉर द टीम। यू नो, देयर आर 2 ways to look at this प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, संजना एंड रोहन। शायद बहुत लोगों को लगे, देखिए, विराट इज ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट, which is right. If New Zealand are number 1 right now, if New Zealand don't win this, India win this, are New Zealand not a good team anymore? Of course not. If India don't go on to win this, are they not a good team anymore? Of course not. So एक टेस्ट मैच जरूर है. I think what this tournament really means for Virat or anyone else will only get to know if they go on to win it. So it's almost like, you know, parents जब बोलते हैं बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम आ रहा है, आप ये नहीं बोल सकते अपने बच्चों को कि जीतना ही है, अच्छा करना ही करना है. So was it like that mental game? Sanjana, did you get that feeling as well, that the captain is taking that sense of occasion thoda alag, so the players don't feel that pressure ki jeetna hai when you step onto the field?
Absolutely. It's already a tough format. You're going to be out there for 5 with a reserve day, 5 odd days, and you want your players to go out there comfortable, knowing that they have a job at hand, rather than going in with a certain amount of pressure, saying that this is the first time, the first IC trophy. So I think that putting them at ease and telling them, look, we have a job to be done here and we're here for a long time. He spoke about how they're here for 6 test matches and not just 1. So I think that just sort of puts the team at ease, and I think that they can focus a lot more clearly when they know that this is just a job and it's another day at the office for them.
And और भी important, Rohan, इसलिए भी हो जाता है. I mean, imagine today Virat says in this press conference कि it is the biggest game of my life. शुभमन गिल, ऋषभ पंत, ये यंगस्टर्स हैं, राइट? शुभमन गिल अपना 8वां मैच खेलने वाले हैं. ऋषभ पंत has played 20 test matches. If they step onto the field knowing that, listen, here is Virat Kohli, he thinks his 92nd test match is the greatest, वो एक अलग pressure feel करेंगे. So is it also, and since you've been traveling with the team, you followed almost every Virat Kohli press conference, do you think this is Virat's way of dealing with that pressure, the hype which is created, and making sure it does not reach the team and especially the youngsters?
Well, Jatin, absolutely. In fact, you know it very well as well. You have interacted with a lot of these guys. In fact, you spoke to Shubman also just before I think a couple of days before you had a conversation with Shubman, which we all saw, and you saw how confident Shubman was. And if you asked him about pressure, and you see how he's very clear about his thoughts. In fact, the youngsters in the team are very clear with their thoughts on what they need to achieve. कि उनको पिच पे जाके क्या करना है, ये उनको अच्छी तरह से पता है. किस तरह से बाकी के जो voices outside, which the team normally refers to, how to shut them and go ahead and play their own game. Obviously, deep down, everyone knows that this is a World Test Championship final. It is the first time that this Test Championship final is being played. So they are aware. Just the fact that how the boys and the senior members especially are handling this is they're ensuring that everyone, especially the youngsters, the names that you mentioned, someone like Shubman or Rishabh Pant, they don't really have awe of the occasion as such. They don't succumb to the pressure of the occasion, but just treat it as another game. That's why possibly they're looking at a larger target, which is not just the World Test Championship final, but perhaps going ahead into the season, what lies ahead for them. Because they have one more, let's say, ICC tournament lined up after this World Test Championship final, which is the T20 World Cup as well. So obviously, these guys, from what I have seen, they are all prepared. They are aware of the occasion, but I'm not sure they will let the occasion really affect them that much.
Yeah, because of course you understand the sentiment, Sanjana, what Virat was saying, that cricket's not going to stop. Even if India don't go on to win it or New Zealand don't go on to win it, they'll still be fantastic sides जिन्होंने 2 साल इतनी मेहनत की, इतने टेस्ट मैचेस जीते. लेकिन ये स्पोर्ट का charm है, this is the charm. When you look back and you remember any great captain or any great sportsman, the first thing that comes is the records, right? MS Dhoni, when we think about him, the first thing सब बोलते हैं T20 World Cup. Second thing is the 2011 World Cup. You talk about Roger Federer, you will talk about his slams. You talk about any player, these laurels and eventually these big tournaments is how you're remembered. So that is the reality as well, which deep down inside all the players also know, right?
Absolutely. And this would be a great feather in the cap, but Virat kept saying it and we all heard it. They're striving for excellence. They want to get better every day. And it's interesting to see the amount of sort of motivation and how inspired these boys are. Even yesterday at the media day, they truly love this format of the game. So just to have this opportunity to be able to play in this Test Championship final is a great sort of opportunity for the Test players of both sides, really.
Yeah, to be fair, deep down inside, chahe Virat ho, chahe Kane Williamson, or you ask anyone else, there are so many subplots in this particular game. Kane Williamson, Virat Kohli, Under-19 World Cup 2008 में, semi-final में Virat की India ने वहाँ New Zealand को हराया था. He went on to win that title, but as a senior cricketer, he's looking for his first major ICC trophy. So is Kane Williamson. The way New Zealand have played in the last few months, they're a team on the rise. Abhi England ko haraya hai. So they're also great opponents, and this is what you want for a spectacle. For a great final, you don't just want one strong team, you want 2 very strong teams, और वही देखने को मिलेगा. I think we're just again waiting. The teams should be out any minute. Is it the 11? Is it the 12? What is it going to be? But good mindset. My mindset as well, right, Sanjana, ki it is going to be a long tour. Iske baad 5 test matches, England ke against bhi hai. This is going to be a long summer. So has it now happened, because you're there, you're so close to the team. Are these mental things being focused on more? आप कैसे फ्रेश रहते हो ये बबल लाइफ में, क्वारंटीन लाइफ में, सबकी फैमिली शायद साथ में नहीं आई, कि ऐसे लंबे टूर पे हाउ आर यू मेड टू फील? सो आर दीज थिंग्स आर यू सीइंग ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इन पे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस आ रहा है?
Abhi filhal ke liye to I've not seen anything like that in particular, but we know that once this final is done, there is a break of about 2 weeks where they get to spend time with their families and they get to go and be out and about. So that sort of build up is in there of just being in a bubble this whole time. So obviously there is emphasis on handling their mental health and helping them refocus. But is match mein to maine khas karke I've not seen anything or maybe I've missed it. Something in particular about how they're looking at this game. But you're right. I mean, the IC Test Championship is going to be such a great showcase of the format, and just the fact that these two opponents are going to go up against each other and it's going to be an exciting contest will just bring in that much more attention to Test cricket, don't you think?
Of course. मतलब मेरे साथ कल VVS लक्ष्मण होंगे, इरफान होंगे, उनसे कभी भी आप पूछो ना कब आपने डिसाइड किया था क्रिकेट खेलना है, द फर्स्ट आंसर यू गेट इज जब हमने कपिल पाजी को 83 में लॉर्ड्स की बालकनी में कप उठाते हुए देखा था. दीज आर मोमेंट्स that are forever etched in your memory. That was India's first World Cup. This is of course going to be the first World Test Championship ever. So there is a next generation that probably is going to go on to play Test cricket and say we saw the team in the final and that was a watershed moment. लेकिन in case अगर आप हमारे साथ थोड़ा लेट जुड़े और हम वेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि क्या इंडिया की टीम अनाउंस होने वाली है प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद, so we're just waiting for that. We're going to bring that for you right here on Disney Plus Hotstar. लेकिन press conference में what were the main things that Virat Kohli touched upon? Let's just quickly recap that.
This is a hard grind over a period of 5 days, something that we take a lot of pride in, and a great example of what you saw in Australia with the younger lot of our players stood up against a very experienced and a very strong Australian side and beat them in their backyard. So we understand the kind of cricket that we have played to get here in the finals, and we understand what we are as a team and who we really are as a group of players. As I said, we're just very excited to get onto the field tomorrow and start this test match. Yeah, me and Kane have become friends over the last few years, playing against each other quite a bit and having conversation off the field as well. But as I mentioned before, when you step across